Paano nga ba mag-isang virtual assistant? Hey guys, ako si Jam at sa video na ito, ikikwento ko kung paano ako naging virtual assistant. So, I've been doing this since 2020, pero bago ko ituloy ang kwento, gusto kong ihatiin itong, video nito sa iba't ibang parts. Let's start with sino ba si Jam bago mag-isang virtual assistant. So, si Jam used to be a training officer and a training manager consultant ng mga restaurants before. So, I was actually a freelancer na since 2018. Pero, bigla na lang akong nawala ng kliyente noong 2020 due to pandemic. So, imagine, nag-lockdown for pandemic, si Jam ay nawala ng kliyente, lahat ng restaurant clients, si Jam nun di marunong maghawak ng pera. So, si Jam, walang pera, walang ipon. Nag-lockdown, wala masyadong ipon si Jam, nga, wala tayong pera during the lockdown. Pero sabi ko, oh my gosh, breadwinner ako eh. Breadwinner ako. How do I provide money to my parents and to myself this pandemic, no? Apparently, sabi nila dati 2 weeks lang. Biglang nangyari is biglang 2 years, whatever, ilang years lang nakalipas. So, what triggered me to do freelancing or what triggered me to become a virtual assistant? So, I have a friend na content creator as well. So, nagkakilala kami sa isang project ng isang brand. And sabi ko, hey, si Miko yon. Miko, ano yung trabaho mo ngayon? Sabi niya, she works online. Sabi ko, okay, how do you do that? Diba parang scam yan? Diba parang nasa utak natin dati, parang scammer yung mga online jobs. Hindi pa siya masyadong kilala nun. Sabi niya, baliw, hindi. Sabi ko, sorry baliw ako, te. Anyways, like, sabi nga, you should try applying here. So, ang lola mo, okay, I need money, I'm gonna apply here. Okay, because apparently I can earn dollars from there. So, ang unang kumpanya or agency na tinry ko is Remote Staff PH, no? It's actually where he works. So, I called without any background kung ano yung gagawin ko. I called. I applied pala in their website, guha akong profile. And then, tinawagan ako for initial interview. And then sabi niya, we'll let you know once you are paired with a client already. Pag may ready na for interview. Yung panahon na yun, pasado daw ako. But never went back to me after like, it's been months. Actually, up to now, hindi pa ako binabalikan, nakakalok. So, yun, alam na, dead, chugi, bam yun. Anyways nga, mga beshi, ito na nga. So, one time, dati kasi nagla-live ako as extra income sa Bigo, kung alam niyo yun. So, may nakilala ko doon, ang pangalan niya si Creon. Sabi ko, Mare, anong ginagawa mo? Anong job mo? Anong trabaho mo ngayon? Sabi niya, work from home, VA. Sabi ko, ha? Ano yun? Ano ba yun? Parang, alam mo, feeling ko, gusto ko pero feeling ko hindi to para sa akin. Ganon. Sabi ni Akla, sabi ni Akla, ano ka ba? I-try mo yung agency kung nasan ako. So, habang katsikahan ko siya na madaling araw sa live, I tried applying kung saan man siya nag-apply sa nga sa akin link. And doon ko nakilala si Pineapple Staffing. So then, I tried applying and back then, si Pineapple Staffing ay bago pa lang. And sabi ko, oh my gosh, sige, apply na, bala na kahit wala akong alam kung anong gagawin ko. So, apply ako. Okay. And then, boof, may tumawag agad. Hi, Jam, are you available for an initial interview? So, sabi ko, okay. So, nag-initial interview ako. Ayan. And then, pasado. Biglang sabi niya, Jam, are you available to start tomorrow for training? Sabi ko, what time? 10 p.m. Woo, graveyard si bakla. Hindi pa ako nag-graveyard nun. First time ko nag-graveyard. Sabi ko, you know what? Come what may. Poproblemahin ko na lang yung next step pag nandun na ako sa step na kailangan ko puntahan. Sige, for now, attend akong training. So, okay, I'll be there for training. And so, I attended training. Girl, second day pa lang ng training, meron akong client interview. Okay, was it second day or third day? Third. Basta 1 week in training. Within those days, may interview na agad ako. And 2 social media management clients yun. At pareho kong inaipasa yun. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, talaga ba? So, yun, doon nag-start yung journey ko. I started sa Pineapple Staffing with 2 clients right away. $5.5 an hour, 40 hours a week. So, you do the math, no? Yun ang kinikita ko noon, 2020. And now, I started as an agency I'm still with Pineapple Staffing with the same two clients na unang clients ko since 2020. And now, meron na akong sariling mga direct clients. So, di ba ang saya? Kasi sa Pineapple Staffing, guys, pwede kang, you are considered as an independent contractor at pwede kang mag-client outside. So, yeah, that's my story. Sana kayo ay na-empower sa story na to. I don't know kung nakarelate kayo. Comment below kung ano natutunan niyo sa video na to. And I'll make more story times in my YouTube channel. Thank you, and comment down below kung ano pang gusto niyo mga topics to talk about. Bye! See ya!